What is a factory design pattern in OOPS program? In object-oriented programming, factory is a design pattern which is used to create object for the specific interface. That means based on the interface, we are going to create object for that to access the required methods. I'll tell you best example for this factory design pattern. I have an interface wherein I have a payment process method, right? And that interface is going to inherit into a credit card payment, a debit card payment, and PayPal methods. These are different context. I'm going to use this payment process. So I'm going to create a factory class to process this, and based on the interface, I'm going to create the object instance for that particular class, like a credit card payment or debit card payment or PayPal method, and then I'm going to process or initiate the payment. Let me show you the demonstration bit of how a factory design pattern works in the OOPS program. I have an interface, as I said, like iPayment processor. Inside of it, I'm having a process payment, and this iPayment processor interface is inherited into credit card payment. So inside of credit card payment, I'm going to have a separate definition for process payment, right? And similar way, I have another class which is a PayPal payment, right? This class also going to inherit from interface a payment processor, and again it is also having a different definition for this process payment. Okay, my process payment is a interface method, and this interface is right inherited into credit card payment and PayPal payment. Okay, now I'm going to create a factory class, right? A payment factory. Inside of that class, I'm going to define a method like get payment process, which is going to accept a string parameter as input. Inside of it, I'm just putting a switch statement, and based on the string type, right, I'm going to create the relevant class object. If it is credit card, I'm going to create a credit card payment class object. If it is a PayPal, I'm going to create a PayPal method or PayPal payment class instance. Okay. If it is not of these two values, I'm going to throw exception saying that invalid payment type. Now I'm coming to my main program here. I'm going to create, right, an instance for the interface like iPayment processor. A payment is an object variable equal to the factory class payment factory dot get payment processor of the string value. Here string value I'm passing credit card. So and then I'm invoking a payment dot process a payment. This way I'm going